Hello guys, namaste. So welcome to my channel Cooking with Pradeep. So today I've got different menu. It's called Baingon ka. To make a Baingon ka bharta, we need eggplant. So it must be around 300-350 grams. And we need spices like turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, cumin seed, and oil. Then after we need red onions, green chilli, ginger garlic paste, and a tomato. The very first step while making a Baingon ka bharta, we have to roast this eggplant. So let's roast it please. So we put this on the fire. So always remember that it should be like roasted properly, like whole area should be roasted. Now we can see that it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done, still for 5 minutes. Finally it's done. You can see now it's cooked properly. See, now we'll take out from the fire. Always remember that you should cut this part and throw this. We'll keep it outside to make it cool. And another option is you can put it in the water also, but I prefer not to put because we need the smoky flavor. As you can see that it's in a room temperature. Now we have to take out this cover skins properly. Whole skins should be taken out. You can see that the covers are out. So we'll put this in the bowl. And we have to smash this properly. You can see it's crushed properly. Now it's time to make the Baingon ka bharta. So first of all, we have to heat the pan in the high flame. 4 spoons of oil. Oil is hot enough. We'll put this in the medium flame. And it's time to put cumin seed. Half teaspoon of cumin seed. The cumin seed is red brown, so it's time to put onions. So we have to put one single big onion, chopped onions. Mix it properly. Onions for 2 minutes. So onions looks red brown, so it's time to put ginger garlic paste. Mix it properly. Soft chili, green chili, and keep it around for 1 minute. Time to put tomato. It's 1 tomato, single chop. Mix it properly. So keep it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Time to put some spices. So we'll put 1/3 of turmeric powder, 1/3 of red chilli powder, 1/3 of coriander powder, 1/3 of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it properly. So it should be like as per the taste. And put in the low flame again. See, the spices are cooked properly. When it's cooked properly, the wells comes out. Finally, it's time to put the crushed eggplant. Then mix it properly. As you know that the Baingon is almost cooked because we roasted it earlier for 5 minutes. It's almost getting ready. So it's time to put some coriander leaves. Mix it properly. So finally our Baingon ka bharta is ready. This is ready now. Let's serve it on a bowl. Looks beautiful. We'll garnish with coriander. This is how we make Baingon ka bharta. Please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.